Hi guys, I'm Kate, the plastic-free mermaid. Today I'm going to teach you a few recipes on how to make your own products so you can avoid plastic packaging and also those nasty chemicals that slide into the store-bought products. For more information and modification, just look below, and I hope you enjoy.
We're gonna make chocolate mousse. Yay! I'm gonna use the food processor for this. You can also use a blender. So let's start. This is a small batch, so you can double this or triple this or quadruple this. First, I'm going to have my avocado. And plop it into my food processor. Now, I don't like to damage my seeds too much because you can actually sprout your avocado seeds. Oops. Always making a mess. And put this in your compost. 1/4 cup coconut cream. You can also use almond milk. One tablespoon of our coconut syrup or maple syrup or honey. 1/4 cup cacao powder. One teaspoon of vanilla. And some nice optional things to add in are 1/4 cup of chia seeds or a banana. That always can add a nice flavor. But this, we're going to keep it real simple today. And you just blend it till it's smooth. Get all of the chunks from the sides. Then you just place it into your cute little cups. We serve these chilled with the little cacao nibs on top or with fresh fruit. And then you just clean up the edges. And then we'll put these in the freezer to set. So these are topped with some cacao nibs and some coconut flakes and some raspberries. You can top them with anything. You don't need to put any topping at all. So this is the finished product. Yummy!